Welcome back to the new video of Mindset Forex. So in the last video we have successfully completed the level 17, and the balance that we need to complete the level 17 was $1,330, and right now our balance is $1,407. So in this video we will try to complete the level 18. To complete the level 18 we need the balance of $1,730, and like every trade we will gonna reach the 16% of our account to reach the or to complete the level 18. Let's go and take some trades. So if you could see on a 5-minute chart, it's a upward trend, and on a 1-minute chart it shows that it already break the low and it is right now in above. So on a 5-minute chart I would see that it was uptrend, but it break this, and we will try to find out how to take a trade. We will try to take new trades. So first of all, let's mark our fair value gaps. So the recent fair value gap is this. It was not respected. Let's go and try to find out more. Okay, it did not break. So it was a fair value gap and we missed this trade. So guys, we have successfully completed the level 18. It was quite easy. We took I think 3 trades, and 2 was in a 2-hour profit and 1 was in a 1-hour loss. So the balance that we need to complete the level 18 is $1,730, and right now we are standing on the balance of 21. So it's $2,122. We are almost like complete or close to complete the level 19. I'll see you in the next video. Keep watching. Thank you so much.